Hi, friends. This is Coach Jeff with Pi of Genius. And in the last episode, I talked about how it can give your business an advantage if you can create a culture where you really are tapped into your vision and mission and your purpose, and you are noticing and realizing and focusing on the things that really your company does, your business does, your organization does, that really blesses other people and the contribution that you're making. And to focus on that instead of all the negativity with the anxiety and our polarized culture and everything going on. And just kind of how that ties into Thanksgiving and being thankful and for your organization. So at the recording of this, last week was Thanksgiving, and it was also my birthday. And, when someone celebrates a birthday, when you have a birthday, when someone in your office has a birthday and you have a birthday party for them, you're not really celebrating the day they were born, right? You really celebrate who they are and what they bring, and that you express your appreciation for why they're a part of your life. And so in this episode, I want to give you a little exercise that you can do to really help the culture of your organization be one that really celebrates and understands and acknowledges really the genius of the individuals that work on your team. Because, everybody has geniuses, skills, something they bring uniquely to your organization. And we live in this time right now where things are so polarized and things are so crazy, and there's so much anxiety and stress and turmoil. It's tough. And something that may help, I'm sure it probably will help actually, your organization is to take some time out and acknowledge the genius, the contribution of each individual on your team. And a way, not the only way, but a way you can do that is just take this is a 4x5 card, 4x6 card, whatever, and write the person's name at the top of it. And what you're going to write down is what's their genius, what's their superpower, what are the skills they have that really contribute, that they bring to the table. And then just let everybody on your team have their name at the top, and let everyone on your team just take a minute and just write a line or two, a bullet point, a sentence that says, here's your genius, here's your superpower, here's what you bring, here's what I appreciate. And just pass them around, let everyone kind of fill them out, and then share them with the person. Sit down around a table and, let them read it and see what other people think of them. And the purpose of this exercise is not so that everyone gets like patted on the back and, oh, you're so good. That's not it. The purpose is for people to, one, take the time to think about their teammates and say, what do they bring? What's their genius? What do they offer? And to write that down on a piece of paper. And then for them to read it, the person, and go, they say this is what they noticed. That's interesting. Because maybe some things they didn't even know. They didn't know was appreciated. And it can be a very powerful thing. And, the next part of this is then to kind of go around and let everyone share about someone that's there. Here's what, Justin or whoever it is, here's how I see you really blessing this organization. We've already said here's what your geniuses are, but here are some examples of how I've seen those play out in the last 3 months, 6 months, the last year, of here's what I saw you did, here's how it contributed to our team, and just go around the room and share that about each individual and just see what happens. What I can guarantee you is that you will leave that meeting, everyone will leave with a renewed sense of, this is what I bring to the table. This is what she brings to the table. He brings by name what they bring to the table and the contribution they've made, and they will walk away standing a little taller, smiling a little bit more. They will be encouraged to continue to exercise their genius. And it just might radically shift your culture. And, something else that you may notice as you go around the room and share all those things, you may become aware of some things that your team lacks. Maybe there's some skills that aren't there that, your team could really use. And this might give you some insight into the kind of person you need to hire next, or the kind of volunteers to bring into your organization. So anyway, that's what I've got for you today. It's just a simple exercise, but it's a powerful exercise where you share with the people, here's what I think your genius is. Here's your superpower. And here's how that superpower has specifically been activated, how we've seen it actually play out in the last little bit. And let that empower your team. Let that change or amplify the culture of your team. And then just begin to notice what the individual people are offering and celebrate that on a regular basis, not just once a year when it's their birthday, not just at the end of the year Christmas party or something. On a regular basis, say, wow, thank you for that. What you bring to the table is really important. I appreciate it. So, my name's Jeff. This is Pie of Genius. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you do take some time to really appreciate the people on your team and celebrate on a regular basis what everyone brings to the table. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.